Dear students, good morning all of you. Today my topic is vestigial organs. Those organs which are not in use at present time are called vestigial organs. The structures or organs in the body which are present in reduced form and do not perform any function but has functional history are called vestigial organs. Functional history and not perform any function. You know vestigial organs. Explanation of vestigial organs. A number of animal species possess certain rudimentary and generally non-functional useless parts or organs called vestigial organs. Vestigium means footprint. Organs means organs. Footprint organs. The question arises that why vestigial organs are developed in which they are not needed. Why vestigial organs developed in which they are not needed. Only evolution provides a satisfactory answer to this question. The course of evolution during the course of evolution of new species from common ancestors along divergent lines, some parts and organs of ancestral forms become adopted and modify for functional changes due to the new environmental conditions, while some other completely or incompletely lose their utility. Organs which have lost their utility do not disappear in the very next generation. Organs which have lost their utility do not disappear in the very next generation. These continue appearing as underdeveloped and gradually diminishing vestigial organs in numerous subsequent generations before reaching their ultimate fate of complete extinction. Here are some examples of vestigial organs. Muscles of ear pinny. Ear pinna in man. Muscles, these are vestigial. And vermiform appendix. Appendix in human is a vestigial organ, and nictitating membrane human eye. Nictitating membrane in human eye is vestigial organ, it is not useful in human, and it is useful in frogs and other animals where their membrane is useful, but in human nictitating membrane is not in use. So this is a vestigial organ. Tail vertebrae, baby's tail. Sometime found a baby tail known as baby tail vertebrae. This is a vestigial organ, and mammary gland in man is a or mammary glands in man are vestigial organs, and hairs on chest, these are the also vestigial in human body. Becoming adopted for creeping, the snakes lost limbs during the course of their evolution. Their forelimbs have completely disappeared. Snakes' forelimbs have completely disappeared together with the pectoral girdle. The hind limbs have completely disappeared together with the pectoral girdle, but vestigial pelvic girdle is still found in most of the modern snake species. The aquatic mammals, whales and seals have their forelimbs modified into flippers for swimming, but hind limbs have been lost. See, next point, when during the course of evolution, bodies of certain birds become large and heavy. Flying became difficult for them. These therefore abandoned flying and adopted fast running upon the ground. Having lost their utility, the wings of such birds became vestigial. For example, ostrich, emu, cassowaries, kiwi, and dodo. These are example of vestigial found in their vestigial organs in their body. Next and last, adaptation for fast running cursorial life in hoofed mammals such as horses, deers, etc. has resulted into excessive development of the third digit in their limbs, such as horses, deers, etc. has resulted into excessive development of the third digit in their limbs. The other digit of their hand and feet lost their utility. First and fifth digits have already disappeared. These are the vestigial organs.